Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Google Tag Manager and enable DataLayer on your WordPress website with GTM4WP plugin. So let's get started. First of all, we'll go to the website backend, then we'll go to plugin, then add new plugin. Here we'll search GTM4WP. Just wait a few seconds. Okay. Here we can see GTM4WP plugin that already I had installed, but when you install first time, just install and active. Then it is ready for work. So after installing this, we'll go to the setting, then Google Tag Manager. Here we can see the Google Tag Manager ID. We can put the Google Tag Manager ID over here. So we have to go to the Google Tag Manager. Then click over here. We'll just copy GTM ID and then copy. And just I will put over here. And then we'll click on, then we'll select the already it is selected, then save change. And now your tag manager is connected with your WordPress website. Now we have to enable the data layer. Then we'll go to the integration, then WooCommerce. Then we'll select track eCommerce and then customer data in data layer and then order data in data layer and clear eCommerce object before new event and finally save changes. And now our data layer is enabled. Now we have to check. We'll go to the Google Tag Manager and then preview. And then we have to copy, the URL. Okay, we have to preview. Then we have to copy the URL and then paste, then continue. And now we can see our tag assistant is connected. We have to wait a moment. Yeah. Now it is working. Now we'll visit a product. Yeah. Now here is the view item. Here we can see data layer. Also, we can see over here. So our data layer is enabled. There is another way we can check our data layer. For example, here is a data layer checker extension. Look, you can see over there our data layer is enabled. Also another extension where you can check view item. Now we can see the data layer. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.